Look great in these everyday work shoes by Klogs. They feature a leather upper with a round toe silhouette, and they have a wide opening with two straps that crisscross over the vamp to lock them into place, with stretch panels on each side to give you a snug and comfortable fit, and a wide opening for easy slip-on. They have some decorative cutout details on the vamp that add a nice touch, and they come in several different colorways to add lots of versatility to your casual wardrobe. Inside, there is a soft synthetic lining with cushioning around the collar to give your ankle support, and a removable footbed that is cushioned and has added arch support to keep you comfortable all day with perforations for breathability. They also have an odor treatment to keep your feet nice and fresh. The lightweight midsole adds contrast with its faux wood grain design, and they have shock-absorbing qualities to help fight foot fatigue. You'll also get about a 2-inch boost in height from the platform. It's all on top of a durable and non-marking synthetic outsole that is slip resistant to keep you stable. Wear these with your favorite pair of denim.